Hello everyone. Welcome back to JavaScript series. Want to run JavaScript like a real developer? In today's video, we'll learn what is Node.js, why Node.js is important, how to install Node.js, JavaScript environment setup, VS Code setup. First, Node.js program. This is one of the most important setup videos for every JavaScript developer, so let's get started. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. Normally, JavaScript runs inside browsers like Chrome, but Node.js allows us to run JavaScript outside the browser. With Node.js, developers can build backend servers, APIs, real-time applications, chat applications, full-stack projects. Big companies use Node.js because it is fast, lightweight, scalable. To become a front-end or full-stack developer, Node.js is very important. We need Node.js for running JavaScript files, installing packages, using React.js, using Next.js, Backend Development, modern JavaScript tools. Without Node.js, many modern frameworks will not work properly. Now let's install Node.js step by step. Step 1. Open browser and visit. Type Node.js. Step 2. Download the LTS version. LTS means long-term support and it is recommended for beginners. Step 3. Click Download and wait for installation file. Step 4. Open the downloaded file. Now follow these steps. Click Next, accept license agreement, keep default settings, click Install, finish installation. Node.js installation is now completed. Now let's check if Node.js is installed correctly. Open command prompt or terminal type. This command, Node v. Press Enter. You'll see the installed Node.js version. Now check npm version, npm-v. npm stands for Node Package Manager. It helps developers install libraries and packages. Now let's install Visual Studio Code. Visit Google Chrome website. Type the VS Code. Download and install VS Code. VS Code is one of the best code editors for JavaScript developers. Install these important extensions: Live Server, JavaScript ES6 snippets, Prettier, Auto Rename Tag. These extensions improve developer productivity. Create a new folder called JavaScript-series. Inside the folder, create index.js. Now write your first Node.js code. Console.log. Welcome to Node.js. Save the file. Open terminal in VS Code. Now type nodeindex.js, press Enter. You'll see, Welcome to Node.js. Congratulations! You successfully ran your first JavaScript program using Node.js. Let's understand the JavaScript environment setup. VS Code, writing code, Node.js, running JavaScript, npm, installing packages, browser, testing front-end applications. Together, these tools create a complete JavaScript development environment. This setup is the foundation for React.js, Next.js, Backend Development, APIs, full-stack projects. Every professional JavaScript developer uses this environment. Today we learned what is Node.js, how to install Node.js, JavaScript environment setup, VS Code setup, running JavaScript using Node.js. This is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll learn variables and data types in JavaScript. Like this video. If the video is helpful, share it with your coding friends. Subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Keep learning, keep coding, keep growing. Let's see you in next video.